adult. Okay, so I'm gonna try one. They're really crumbly. Like, they're good, but they're really they're really crumbly. Oh my god, and they're really sweet, but they're really good, but the top fell off. I mean, it'll stay if you're careful. But, sorry, you probably don't want to watch me eat. Anyway, see this guy. I'll have his top come off, but the flavor is like like I don't know how to explain it. Kind of like butterscotchy pie crusty goodness. Really rich and really good. Maybe could I cut the recipe in half? I'm thinking maybe sorry, I need something to drink. I need some coffee. Anyway, I'm thinking maybe I could have cut back a little bit on the flour. I mean, they're really good, but maybe that's why they're so crumbly. I don't know. They're messy, but they're really good. If you like butterscotch, and you like butter, you're gonna love these. And I cut the recipe in half, so can you imagine if you make the whole recipe? You have a lot of cookies. Okay, one more bite. Really good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell. You know what I mean. Click on the bell. I always say that wrong. Not always, but a lot. Anyway, and I love you, and thanks for watching.